Hello, I am 𝗙𝗲𝗏𝗏. I am currently working as a software developer in the 𝗧𝗿𝗏 technology. We were looking for the development training of ERP. We found out 𝗬𝗏𝗏 and we connected them. So we moved further in this, and the training period is of 1 month, and we covered so much topics. And special thanks to the Sahil sir and Dhruvin sir. Both are very cooperative, and the team 𝗬𝗏𝗏 was overall very much cooperative and they have given us lots of knowledge about the ERPNext. And thank you so much to the team 𝗬𝗏𝗏 for giving this chance.
Hello, my name is 𝗘𝗥𝗣𝗏𝗏 and I am a software developer in 𝗧𝗿𝗏 technology. We came here for the training in ERPNext and 𝗧𝗏𝗏. In this training, we cover major topics like log type, API, client and server-side scripting, webhook, and all other things. Thank you to the Sahil sir and Dhruvin sir for all the guidance, and team 𝗬𝗏𝗏 for the friendly approach and give us the good guidance.
Overall, this training was well planned and well structured. Thank you, team 𝗬𝗏𝗏.